Good day, everyone. Today, I'll talk about the idea of starting fresh with a new company, especially in franchising. So, one big reason why some business owners shift to another franchisor is because of the brand itself. So, the brand carries a name, of course, an image that attracts customers. For example, if a person is running a small burger franchise but then sees that Jollibee is opening opportunities, they might switch because Jollibee already has strong brand recognition and a loyal market. So customers are more likely to choose the popular brand they trust. And another reason is the benefits that a franchisor can offer. So some franchisors give better discounts when buying supplies or raw materials. For example, a coffee shop franchisor might have strong connections with suppliers. So the franchises get cheaper prices for milk, coffee beans, and packaging. Others focus on training, like McDonald's, which is known worldwide for its excellent training system for managers and staff. So, if you get that kind of training, you can use the knowledge not only in one branch but in other businesses you may open in the future. And there is also the factor of negotiating power. Let's say you have limited capital and you find a great spot in the city for a new store. So you're deciding whether to open a franchise of Chowking or Greenwich. So if both franchisors know you are comparing, one of them may lower fees or give you better um terms ba just to secure that location under their brand. And then on the other hand, some franchisors value loyalty more and may not like it if you also manage competing brands. And another key point is what we call the diversification. So if you only invest in one company and that company goes into financial or legal trouble, all your branches may suffer. For example, imagine, no, nilagay mo lahat ng money mo into one milk tea brand. If that brand loses its popularity or closes down, all your branches will be affected. But if you also invested in a bakery franchise or a convenience store brand, you still have income even if yung business no, even if yung isa sa mga business mo ay na-fail. And lastly, when handling multiple brands, owner must be careful with advertising, of course. Each brand needs its own identity. For example, if you own both a pizza chain and a coffee shop, so you can promote them in one flyer, but you still have to keep their logos, slogans, and unique selling points separate so customers won't be confused. In short, no, in summary, starting fresh with a new company means choosing a stronger brand, taking advantage of better benefits, gaining negotiating power, reducing risk by diversifying, and protecting each brand's identity. Okay, now let me explain the idea of chemise brands or co-branding. So we all know what is co-branding means, diba? It happens when two or more brands operate in just one location. It can be dual branding, which means two brands, or even multi-branding if there are three or more. So the goal here is to give customers more convenience and more choices in one place. So for example, we can see no sa mga gas stations along highways. None of them don't just sell fuel. May mga iba na may fast food chains, may convenience stores, mayroong cafe. So in just one stop, you can gas up your car, grab a meal, grab a coffee, or buy some snacks for your trip. That's co-branding in action. And syempre nakikita rin natin to sa shopping malls and airports, no? And food courts are the perfect example because different franchises are placed together. So, pwede kang pumili between pizza, burgers, fried chicken, no, in one area. So, even in local towns, co-branding is growing. For instance, no, there are stores that combine a bake shop with a cafe, a milk tea shop inside a bookstore. And another example, no, sa Philippines is when you see Greenwich and Jollibee sharing the same space, no, or donut inside the terminal, no, sa mga bus terminal merong mga Dunkin Donuts, no, so it makes it easier for customers since they don't have to go to different locations. Diba kapag pupunta tayo or kapag galing tayo sa ibang lugar, tapos kapag uuwi tayo, kapag pupunta tayo sa terminal, nakikita natin na may mga different shops there na pwedeng bilihan ng mga pasalubong. So the main idea here is that franchising always follows consumer brand. People want convenience, so businesses respond by bringing multiple brands together in one spot.